Did you know that amidst the bustling cryptocurrency landscape, there's a project gaining significant traction for its innovative approach to blockchain technology? Yes, I'm talking about Cardano. But what exactly is Cardano and why is it generating so much buzz? Let's embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of Cardano, aimed at beginners looking to dive into the world of crypto. Stick around till the end where we go through how you can buy Cardano today. It seems like everyone in the crypto sphere is buzzing about Cardano, but what's causing all this excitement? Well, let's start with the numbers. Cardano, often dubbed as the Ethereum killer, has seen a meteoric rise in its market cap, becoming one of the top cryptocurrencies by valuation. But beyond the hype, there's substance. Cardano's unique approach to scalability, sustainability, and interoperability sets it apart from its peers, making it a formidable player in the blockchain space. What is Cardano? All right, let's get down to the basics. Imagine a blockchain platform designed to be scalable, interoperable, and sustainable from the ground up. That's Cardano in a nutshell. But what makes it different from other blockchain projects like Bitcoin or Ethereum? Well, it's all about the technology under the hood. Picture this. You have a smartphone that not only allows you to make calls and send text, but also seamlessly integrates with other devices and applications, all while being energy efficient and environmentally friendly. That's the essence of Cardano, a blockchain platform that's not just another digital currency, but a comprehensive ecosystem designed to address the shortcomings of existing blockchain projects. Cardano's three-layer architecture. Now, let's dive into Cardano's innovative three-layer architecture, which forms the backbone of its functionality and success. 1. Cardano Settlement Layer, CSL. Think of the CSL as the foundation of Cardano, much like the bedrock upon which a sturdy building is constructed. Here, transactions involving ADA, Cardano's native cryptocurrency, are securely processed and recorded. But what makes it truly revolutionary is its consensus mechanism, Ouroboros. Imagine a network of validators collaborating to validate transactions, all while ensuring the network's security and integrity. That's Ouroboros in action. By leveraging a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, Cardano achieves scalability without sacrificing decentralization. It's like having a digital fortress that's both robust and resilient, capable of handling a massive influx of transactions without breaking a sweat. 2. Cardano Computation Layer, CCL. Moving up the stack, we encounter the CCL, a realm where smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, come to life. Unlike Ethereum, which relies on a gas-based fee model that can lead to unpredictable transaction costs, Cardano takes a different approach. Picture this. You're a developer looking to deploy a dApp on the Cardano platform. With Cardano's predictable and sustainable fee structure, you can do so without worrying about exorbitant transaction fees. It's like having a predictable toll booth on a highway, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free journey for developers and users alike. 3. Cardano Control Layer, CCL. Last but not least, we have the CCL, the governance layer of Cardano. Here, stakeholders have a say in the platform's future direction, proposing and voting on protocol upgrades, funding proposals, and other governance matters. It's like a digital democracy where every voice matters, ensuring that Cardano remains adaptable and responsive to the needs of its community. In summary, Cardano's three-layer architecture isn't just a technical marvel. It's a testament to the platform's commitment to scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. By combining cutting-edge technology with a decentralized governance model, Cardano is paving the way for a brighter future powered by blockchain technology. Cardano's unique features. Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve deeper into some of the unique features that set Cardano apart from other blockchain platforms. Scalability. Scalability has long been a challenge for blockchain networks, with Bitcoin and Ethereum struggling to handle high transaction volumes. However, Cardano takes a different approach, leveraging a layered architecture and innovative consensus mechanism to achieve unparalleled scalability. With its ability to process thousands of transactions per second, Cardano is well positioned to support the next generation of decentralized applications and financial services. Interoperability. Interoperability is essential for the long-term success of blockchain technology, allowing different networks to communicate and transact seamlessly. Cardano recognizes the importance of interoperability and is actively working towards integrating with other blockchain platforms through projects like the Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, CCIP. By bridging the gap between disparate networks, Cardano aims to create a truly interconnected and interoperable ecosystem. Sustainability. Sustainability is another key pillar of Cardano's design philosophy, addressing the environmental concerns associated with traditional proof-of-work consensus mechanisms. By utilizing a proof-of-stake approach, Cardano significantly reduces its energy consumption while maintaining a high level of security and decentralization. This sustainable approach not only benefits the planet but also ensures the long-term viability of the Cardano network. Cardano's upcoming major upgrade, changing the game in the Voltaire era. As Cardano strides confidently into the Voltaire era of its roadmap, a significant milestone looms on the horizon, the first hard fork of this new era. This upgrade represents more than just a technical tweak. It's a transformative moment for the Cardano ecosystem and a testament to its ongoing evolution. With this major upgrade, Cardano is set to introduce a host of new features and improvements. Among the key changes are enhancements to the governance mechanism, improvements in network scalability and interoperability, and advancements in smart contract functionality. Enhanced governance mechanism. At the heart of Cardano's governance model lies its decentralized decision-making process, where stakeholders have a say in the platform's future direction. With this upgrade, Cardano is poised to further empower its community, providing new tools and mechanisms for stakeholders to participate in governance activities. From voting on protocol upgrades to proposing funding initiatives, the Cardano community will have greater control over the platform's development and evolution. Addressing concerns, fear of Cardano being classified as dead. Despite its impressive progress and continued development, Cardano has faced criticism and skepticism from some quarters, with concerns about its perceived slow pace of development and lack of tangible results. However, these concerns are largely unfounded as Cardano remains firmly committed to its long-term vision of creating a scalable, interoperable, and sustainable blockchain platform. Moreover, the upcoming major upgrade signals Cardano's ongoing momentum and progress, underscoring its resilience and determination to deliver on its promises. With a vibrant and dedicated community driving its development forward, Cardano is well positioned to overcome any challenges and emerge stronger than ever. In conclusion, as Cardano enters a new era of governance and innovation, the upcoming major upgrade represents a pivotal moment in its journey. With enhancements to governance, scalability, interoperability, and smart contract functionality, Cardano is poised to continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the blockchain space. And as concerns about its viability fade into the background, Cardano is set to shine brighter than ever before. Getting started with Cardano. Now that you have a better understanding of what Cardano is and what sets it apart, you might be wondering how to get started. Well, fear not. Here's a simple guide to help you embark on your Cardano journey. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn more about Cardano and blockchain technology in general. There are plenty of resources available online, including tutorials, forums, and community-driven initiatives. Get a wallet. To interact with the Cardano network, you'll need a wallet to store your ADA. There are several options available, including desktop wallets, mobile wallets, and hardware wallets. Choose one that suits your needs and preferences. Here are some examples to help. Daedalus Wallet. Developed by the team behind Cardano, Daedalus is the official desktop wallet for ADA. It offers a secure and intuitive interface for storing, sending, and receiving ADA. Daedalus is known for its robust security features, including encrypted private keys and offline transaction signing. Yoroi Wallet. Yoroi is a lightweight and user-friendly wallet for ADA, available as a browser extension for Google Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. It offers a simple yet powerful interface, making it easy for users to manage their ADA holdings and interact with decentralized applications, dApps, on the Cardano network. Ledger Hardware Wallet, Ledger Nano S, and Ledger Nano X are popular hardware wallets that support ADA. These wallets offer an extra layer of security by storing ADA offline away from potential cyber threats. Users can securely store their ADA on a Ledger device and access it using the Ledger Live software. Buy ADA. Once you have a wallet set up, it's time to acquire some ADA. You can purchase ADA from cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Remember to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Start exploring. With your ADA in hand, you're ready to start exploring the world of Cardano. Participate in staking, try out decentralized applications, or even contribute to the development of the ecosystem. The possibilities are endless. If you're interested in staking ADA, here's a quick guide. So using the steps previously mentioned to create a wallet and buy ADA, transfer ADA to your wallet. If you don't have ADA in your wallet already, you'll need to acquire some. Delegate your ADA. Once you have ADA in your wallet, you can delegate it to a stake pool to participate in staking. In your wallet interface, look for the option to delegate or stake your ADA. Choose a stake pool from the available options and delegate your ADA to it. Monitor your rewards. After delegating your ADA to a stake pool, you'll start earning staking rewards. These rewards are automatically distributed to your wallet periodically, typically every epoch, around every 5 days. Keep an eye on your wallet balance to see your rewards grow over time. Redelegate if desired. If you're not satisfied with your current stake pool or want to explore other options, you can redelegate your ADA at any time. Simply choose a new stake pool and delegate your ADA to it using your wallet interface. Stay informed. Staking ADA is a passive income-generating activity, but it's essential to stay informed about developments in the Cardano ecosystem and any changes to the staking process. Follow Cardano's official channels, join community forums, and engage with other stakeholders to stay up to date. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of Cardano for beginners. Whether you're intrigued by its innovative technology or excited about its potential impact on the future of finance, Cardano offers something for everyone. So why not take the plunge and join the Cardano community today? Together, we can build a more scalable, interoperable, and sustainable future powered by blockchain technology. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on what is crypto arbitrage and why you should be doing it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.